This message came in at about 11 a.m. on this fateful day. So I went ahead and calculated, then I sent her the prices. To my surprise, I didn't receive any message like, oh, I've sent the money. So I went ahead and messaged her, what time do you want it? She said 5 p.m. So I checked my account and the money was there. So I said, okay, this is 4:05. Let's go. So I went ahead and I finished up with everything I was doing, okay, because I had to finish that one first. So thank God I already have my mixture. So I went ahead and I mixed my mixture. Okay, so I mixed this up. I already mixed a bowl before I even decided why not vlog this, because it's going to make sense if I could finish before the 5 p.m. you get. So I said, okay, let me do this. So I went ahead and I mixed my mixture. I already have one mixture like I said before. So I went ahead and I mixed another bowl. Check the description box for the exact cup of my mixture that I put in the bowl and the cups of water I used, and it was a perfect consistency. All you need to do is to whisk, whisk and whisk to make sure you have a very smooth mixture. If at a point or for any reason you don't get a smooth mixture, go ahead and sieve it. Okay, use your sieve it and you get your mixture well incorporated. Okay, so I got my mixture just by whisking, and then I proceed to doing all that stuff. Okay, so this is it. You just want to mix. So going to the kitchen, I said, okay, let me time this thing. Let me time it. Let's see. So I looked at the time just when I was about starting. Everything was set up by my staff and I was about starting. I checked the time and it was exactly 4:22 p.m. So I have less than 40 minutes left to make this order. So I went ahead and this is where I started being a hurry. Okay, so I started with the samosa because that's like my favorite one to do. It's the easiest for me, so I had to start with that one just so I can get my groove on. So here we go. I was checking my temperature to make sure everything is set so that when I start I can just go on full speed, and that's exactly what I did. The first one is always like the hardest because your pan is still getting ready to for the old drama you get. So the first one always stays longer, but after this one, depending on how you set your heat, you are going to go on full speed. So for you all that have been asking me, do you add oil to your pan? No, as you can see, I even put my hands in it to check if it was hot in the first place. I don't add anything in my pan. My pan is dry. So now we are on full speed. Let me play some music for you guys.
Play with a dog. Don't play with a dog. Be the silence. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. Back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody sound next up. Be damn if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just...
Look at the time, guys. It's 4:40. Okay, 4:41. So this is 18 minutes later and I was done with the samosas. I did 50 samosas because the order is for 4 dozen samosa, 4 dozen spring rolls, which make it 96, but I did 50 pieces. Okay, so this is 4:43. I'm starting to make the spring rolls. So a lot of you said spring roll making is easy and like it's your favorite, it's easier for you to make, but it's my least favorite. I don't know why. Maybe because I put so much effort in learning how to wrap my samosas, so it's now like my favorite thing. Okay, so I don't know, I always get the comments in my comment section, oh, the spring roll was easy, but the samosa, I'm finding it difficult, I'm still facing challenges. Yeah, it's normal, it's okay. Samosa is like everybody's enemy when it comes to rapping, but guys, it's my favorite, it's the one I can do faster. So moving forward, yeah, let's go, let's go. So guys, I'm done. In total, I made 112 pieces. I was in a hurry and I didn't even count when I was already at 100. The order is actually 96 pieces, okay? So after putting in that glass nylon, after arranging very well, you want to arrange very well, just in case you want to freeze it, it comes off easily when you want to use, okay? So after arranging it very well, I thought of putting it in a nylon to send out, but then if I put it in nylon, this thing is still hot. You can even see you can see through the glass nylon, like it's still warm. So I'm scared if I put it in a nylon, the rider might mishandle it and then it will just start breaking or something might happen to it. So I went ahead and used this foil tray. All I did, I actually was looking for carton, maybe Temilayo's Caprison carton, but she still have stuff in them. So I used the foil tray, I wrap it with the cling film so it was firm enough. Okay, so this is how I sent it out. Please do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Please like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.
I no go stop, I no go settle. My light is never gonna die.